good morning, and of course, i-room tour ko kayo this time. Ayan. So, nandito ako sa Pisa. Yes, so let's start with the view dito sa windows. From the windows, ito yung makikita mo guys. Wow! Oh my goodness, so beautiful. Ayan, ang ganda guys. Yung mga kuline. Ayan, ang mountains surrounded tayo. Okay. And of course, ito naman yun sa kabilang side. Ayan. So beautiful. And ito yung bed natin. Wow. Ganda. Very relaxing. Yes, of course. Ayan, laki ng television. Yes, of course. Ito yung mga cabinets. Ayan. Safety box. Okay. Tapos meron pa sa taas. Wow, so nice. And this is the bathroom, washroom. Ayan. So cute. Ayan, very nice. I love it. Ayan, very spacious. So, ang daming pwedeng paglagyan ng mga shampoo dito and soaps. Okay, very nice. I love it. Thanks for watching guys. I hope you like it. Yes. So, as usual, overnight lang naman dito. Kaya isang backpack lang ang bit-bit ni Inday. Yes. So, see you guys later for more updates. Bye for now. Thank you.